Alrighty, so once again, there is nothing but chaos in the marketplace. And what does this mean for you in the land investment game? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything that's going on, what you can expect from the land investment business, what you should do moving forward, and all the great things that come with these passive income models. Man, I'm just throwing this nonsense together here. But just know, directly below in the description there, I'll have some resources you can use to go ahead and expand upon your land investment business, plus some bonus resources that you could use to generate additional passive income streams. But seriously, let's get into this here. As of recording this right now, I've been missing a few days. First things first, I caught that monster. Me and Michael Rappaport caught the monster at the same exact time. We were not together, just coincidentally. These things happen. Seems like everybody's catching it right now, but for me, I was lucky. I only had it for a few days, like 3 days of being down and out, and other than that, on a full rebound. So everything's cool there. If you stumbled across it already, hopefully you had the same case, worst case scenario, you know, we're able to bounce back and get on with it. But we're recording this right now. Stock market is continuing to plummet. And with that said, I've been investing a lot of money in different groups and mentors this year to figure out what people are buying in the stock market. And not only that, how are they expanding upon their cryptocurrency portfolios and getting in on these coins early? Now, the reason I'm sharing this with you before I get into the land piece is I'm going to start doing additional videos on what I'm learning from these groups, where I'm actually putting my money, what these individuals are putting their money into, so you can kind of get an idea of what's going on in the marketplace there, and then watch me as I invest in real time, because I don't like to share tips unless I have my actual dollars committed to it. So I'll be doing tips and tricks on that. And if you're interested in getting those emailed to you, just drop by investmenttipsfrom.com. I'll put that link at the top of the line in the description there. And I'll go ahead and send you updates on all those videos as we learn more from these groups and where we're putting our dollars. But finally, you're here to learn about land investing, most likely. So let's talk about what's going on in the marketplace, what you should expect, what I think you should expect, and where to put your dollars. So for me, right now, I'm heavily focused on the state of Florida. I think a lot of people are going to continue migrating there for political reasons, weather, all that other good stuff. They want more freedom in their life, and with the laptop lifestyle, everybody's able to work from home. You might as well head down there and be in the Sunshine State, and there's a lot of freedom in it politically. So I am focusing more energy there. I still have investments in Arizona, New Mexico, and some other states. I'm not fully walking away from those, but I am just focusing in on this one particular area this year because I do think there's going to be some appreciation play with that. Now, I opened up the video talking about stock market chaos going on. A lot of people are still doing a big sell-off. I don't know for sure, but I do think this is because everybody got cut off this month. So anybody that was living on child tax credits and, you know, different stimulus like that, all that got shut off this month. So I think they're doing a big cash grab right now, selling off assets, pulling out the cash to live off of, but then move it into solid assets is what I believe. So this is where land comes in. When the whole chaos 2 years ago started, land was booming. Everybody was buying up lots because everybody thought they're going to buy RVs, live off grid, and I think the same mindset is going to come back where people want to own hard assets. So I do think land will go up in sales again. People are going to start buying up more properties, but I also think, you know, people like Peter Schiff that say buy gold, they're going to start buying more gold right now. So these are things to have on your radar. If you wanted to invest in gold, either through the stock market or physical, you may want to at least track the market right now and see what's happening. If nothing else, follow it to see if it spikes or if it just kind of hovers around the same point. It's just interesting to follow these numbers and see what's happening. But for land, I do think there'll be a spike, but this doesn't mean take all your money and start investing it in hopes you're going to be able to flip it right away. I would say, like I always say, if you're new to this, start out with a couple cheap lots. Get out there, make some small investments, put them up on the platforms, offer them to the marketplace, build your buyers list, and flip them. If you already have a little bit of experience and you have some money, maybe push the envelope just a little bit. If you want to do 1 deal a month, go after 2 to 3 deals a month if you're comfortable and you can afford to do so. Wherever you're at, figure out your positioning and then push forward just a little bit more. It's always good to go a little bit bigger, but don't go so big that you're stuck holding the bag and you have a big old mess on your hands. I've done that plenty of times in life. It's never fun cleaning those up. So that's my take on everything that's going on right now. I'm going to get back into the swing of things with videos. Like I said, had to take a few days off to recover, so I'm back in it. We're going to be delivering the content. If you want to know more about cryptocurrencies and stock market investments that we're making, get over to investmenttipsfrom.com. Link will be directly below on the top of the description there. Any questions about land investing, drop those down below or text them to me at 440-567-6040. And when you're watching this, it's going to be chopped all up because I've been coughing through this whole thing. I'm going to edit it all out though. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.